So I'm back to this cardigan, just showing you that I put the pocket lining in, and then I did my purl row, and then I do exactly the same thing because I got in a bit of a muddle on my last pink cardigan, and you can't see little mistakes, but I made sure that I started counting exactly the same from these inside edges and put my stitch markers in again to show exactly where I start doing things. So this marker just shows where I joined. I didn't really need that one, but it shows where I joined this little pocket. And then I counted, it's 6 this side, but it's only 4 that side, so I counted 6, then 3 for the purl, 6 for the cable, 3 for the purl, and then it goes all the way out that side. So, and then I did it this side as well. So that way I know that my cable's still going to run up the middle. And I know it seems so obvious to some people, but sometimes it takes me a while to work out. I didn't do this part again. And also just knowing where my 6th row is, where I actually, these are for when I've done the twist of the cable. So that's number 6. Then I've got 1, 2, 3. So counting. But if you don't get your rows exactly perfect when you start the cable again from the pocket, you've got a little bit of ribbing that's going to hide whether you do it just 1 or 2 rows too soon, that twist. It'll just hide whatever happens, and then from then on keep it exactly right. So I just wanted to show you that little thing that I do. It's much easier if I put in the markers to show exactly, and I don't actually need that one. It's all knitting, but because I was counting from the other way, I started counting from here, and that's 4 stitches, and that's where I do the purls. So I started counting from the purls, and so I just put that one in, but I don't really need to because I'm knitting straight across. So I hope you get the idea, just showing you stage by stage as I'm doing something new, and even though I might have it already in my tutorials, just to reinforce how I'm doing things might help somebody. So anyway, enjoy your day. I hope you're enjoying my little Hoya videos. They're all opening up. It is so hot. My lounge is like 30 degrees or over 30 degrees. And I've got a fan going. I've got the right side open, all the windows and doors open, and it's still so hot, which is lovely. And my Hoyas are absolutely loving it. So I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.